Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all likes on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X or Twitter on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Select Profile. Now go ahead and tap on Likes. Scroll down a bit and tap on the heart icon to unlike the post that you have liked. There is no feature to delete all the likes at once yet. Once you have done that to all your posts, all your likes should be deleted. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.